Today I'm showing you how to make a bleach tie-dye sweatshirt. It's an easy DIY project, and you can use this technique on sweatpants, hoodies, shirts, and more. To get started, gather your materials. You'll need a cotton sweatshirt, bleach, rubber gloves, and rubber bands. The first thing you'll want to do is crumple up your sweatshirt and tie it up with the rubber bands. Twist up the garment to create the pattern and secure it with the rubber bands spaced several inches apart. The parts of the garment that have the rubber bands will stay the original color, and the exposed fabric will turn colors when you bleach it. So if you make the pattern tight, the areas of bleach will be smaller. If you make a looser pattern, more areas of your sweatshirt will turn color. Next, it's time to mix and apply the bleach. I made a solution of 1 part bleach and 1 part water. Put the sweatshirt into the bleach and turn it around, making sure that it is soaked through. You'll want to leave your shirt in the bleach for about 10 minutes or until you start to see the color change. After that, all you need to do is remove the rubber bands, rinse it out really well, and wash and dry as normal. And there you go! That's how to make your own tie-dye sweatshirts with bleach. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crafts and DIY ideas.